This is the trading playbook where the charts do the talking and every session makes you a better trader. Hello everyone. My name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing, and I hope all of you are doing well today. Happy Sunday. I hope you're all excited. Before I get anywhere else, guys, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the Verified Investing YouTube channel. It helps me and all of us here at Verified Investing continue to put out high quality content for free. And don't forget, guys, Gareth and I, guys, our brand new service, the $1 Million Long-Term Investor, is now live. And we already have 3 positions that we're holding for the long run. And knock on wood, they'll continue going well because we are currently in the money in all 3 positions. But, we're in it for the long haul, right? Up about 5 or so percent. And the service just started. So if you're interested, make sure to scan that QR code down below. And let's get into it. And before I forget, make sure to let me know what technical analysis, trade setup you want me to check out next week. I read every single one of these comments, guys, and I appreciate all the love that you guys are showing me. With that being said, let's hop into it. And if you didn't see yesterday's episode, what are you doing here? Go watch yesterday's episode and then come back. But, guys, we have 3 trades for you. This is this week's plays. And if you remember from yesterday, we're talking about RSI. And today we're talking about Palantir, Okta, and BONK, cryptocurrency, throwing that in with you. So let's start with Plan A. Now, Plan A is Palantir. And remember what I said about divergence, bullish and bearish divergence last time. Do you guys remember? Let me see if I can pull it up there. So going back here, bearish RSI divergence is when price goes up, but the RSI goes down. Now, it's not always this obvious, right? Sometimes it's slight, right? And that we see this, as far as bearish, we'll see a price make new all-time highs, and we'll see RSI actually start going lower, making lower highs. And in Palantir, looking at it, it seems to have done that. So a couple things to note. One other thing, right? Generally, what do we think? Generally, we think that RSI above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold. And in this case, we were well above 70 at or around 70, 72 this past week. Now, what did Palantir do on Friday? Pushed up, made new highs, but you see RSI is down there. Additionally, taking a look at this, you can see kind of a head and shoulders pattern here on the RSI here. Let me see if I can draw that for you guys right there. So my plan A is that Palantir favors a move lower, had an incredible move up off of earnings, 43%. Looks tired, looks exhausted, and this looks like a potential short opportunity here, right? That is my plan A. Moving on to plan B, it's Okta. Similar thing, guys. What are we looking for? We're looking for RSI above 70, generally, or under 30. And in this case, what do we see? RSI above 70, overbought. And what do we see? Stock continuing to push, kind of make new highs, but look on the RSI. Unable to peak and make new highs on the RSI. There's your divergence, kind of splitting off, right? And I did say it's not going to be as obvious as this. This is kind of a dramatization, excuse me. I don't even know how to speak. But in this case, guys, Okta looks like it's tired. It's getting tired. Potentially favors a pullback this upcoming week. This is my second play. One thing to note, guys. Wednesday Wednesday to 26th of August. So next week, not this coming week, but the week following, it has earnings. So one thing we don't really want to do is hold it into earnings. But prior to that, I do think we can get a decent pullback. It wouldn't surprise me if price fell back to around 120 right before that, about an 18% fall, surely. And then finally, guys, plan C, my cryptocurrency. Here's a long for you. BONK. BONK USDT. Now, BONK kind of put in a base, right? Made kind of newer lows, but the RSI is starting to recover, potentially indicating a difference in the trend. Additionally, RSI was below 30 on BONK USDT. If we go a little deeper here and do some other TA on this beautiful downsloping trend line, looking to try and push up and break above here on BONK. Now, if it can do that, I think there's definitely an opportunity for price to go up 20-25%. And if we are to break these pivots here all around this 0.325, you could see price up towards closer to that 0.4 level, guys. So this is really, really important to go ahead and watch. That is my plan A, B, and C. But, guys, I have the final read for you. When you're going to these trades, and I'm giving you all of these technical analysis factors, it's important that you put them together, right? There's no use in me coming here every single week, you guys showing up here week in and week out, just to take this in, write it down, take the trades that week potentially, and then all of a sudden decide, okay, that's it, I'm good, I'm going to forget about it. No, you want to combine these things. You want to combine RSI with a head and shoulders pattern, with a nice trend line and pivot into a gap fill, and every single factor, this is the way I like to think about it, every single factor is an additional increase in your odds to have a successful trade. Now, there is no trade that's going to work out 100% of the time. But as Gareth and Drew like to say, imagine you're gambling, you want to be the casino. And the more odds you have in your favor using TA, the better likelihood you have of success. With that being said, guys, that's all I have for you today. My name, again, is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. Please, guys, like, comment, subscribe to Verified Investing on the YouTube channel, and go check out mine and Garrett's brand new service, the $1 Million Long-Term Investor. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Life moves fast. One day you're starting your career, the next you're raising a family, running a business, paying a mortgage, and wondering where the last 10 years went. Most people know they should be investing for the future. The problem is they don't know who to trust, what to buy, or when to make a move. That's why we created $1 Million Long-Term Investor. I'm Gareth Soloway. For decades, I've studied the market cycles, investor psychology, and the forces that drive long-term wealth creation. One thing I've learned is that not every dollar should be traded actively. Some capital deserves a different approach, a more patient approach, a more disciplined approach. That's exactly what $1 Million Long-Term Investor is designed to provide. To help lead that effort, I've partnered with Verified Investing pro trader Lawton Ho. Together, we manage a $1 million model portfolio built around the principles of long-term investing, transparency, and disciplined risk management.
Most investors don't want to sit in front of charts all day. They have careers, families, and responsibilities. They want their money working for them, even when they're focused on everything else that life demands. That's the investor we're building this portfolio for. We focus primarily on high-quality companies, dividend-paying stocks, and major ETFs positioned to benefit from longer-term market cycles. Positions are often built gradually over time. We'll add when opportunities develop. We'll sometimes take partial profits along the way. and we'll often maintain a core position to stay invested in the bigger move. When market conditions call for it, we may also take defensive positions to help protect capital during broader market downturn. The goal isn't constant activity. The goal is disciplined portfolio growth over time. As a member, you'll be able to follow the portfolio as it evolves. You'll receive updates whenever changes are made. You'll see the positions we're building, the adjustments we're making, and the reasoning behind every decision. Twice each week, I'll provide portfolio updates covering current positions, market conditions, and opportunities we're monitoring next. No guessing, no hidden trades, just transparency.
Building wealth isn't about finding the next hot stock. It's about making smart decisions consistently over time. That's how portfolios grow. That's how retirement accounts grow. And that's how long-term wealth is built. If that's the approach you're looking for, we'd love to have you join us. Welcome to $1 Million Long-Term Investor.